What trick can split this iron sheet in half? I struggled with scissors for ages. Kick and roll like rolling dough, foot-powered woodcutter sparks. I'm hesitant to cut. How to do this? Don't rush. I've got an idea. Full of tricks today, I used 2 wheels, made a reducer. These 2 wheels attached to our home drill, ready to use. Add a spring on top to secure it, like our iron sheet at home. Cuts tiles too. Let's test it. Push forward. Wow, works well. Try the wheeled tile cutter. Oh my! So easy to use. I love this dual wheel reducer.